Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I wanted to show you how easy it is to make homemade peanut butter. It's less expensive than the natural peanut butter from the store, and you only need 2 ingredients. So let's get started and I'll show you how.
To the food processor, we're going to add our peanuts, and these are salted and roasted peanuts. You can use raw unsalted if you like. Then we're just going to process it until the peanuts are ground up quite finely. And at this point we're going to stop and just scrape down any peanut dust, and then we're going to add the vanilla. And the vanilla adds a little flavor and makes it taste a little sweeter without having to add sugar. Now we're going to keep running it. The peanuts will kind of ball up and then turn kind of grainy, creamy at this point, and we're going to keep processing it until it's nice and smooth, just like this. And now we're going to take it from the food processor and we're going to add it to a sterilized jar and store it in the refrigerator. And that's it. That's all there is to making your own homemade peanut butter.
If you'd like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, click the subscribe button and be sure to click the bell too, so you'll be notified when we have new videos available.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.